Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about combined bodies command. I am going to explain how to add two features or subtract and eliminate the additional material with common option. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. I have created a square by 100 by 100 and I am going to extrude. Select the midplane, make it 100. So this is simple cube. See, I have created a semicircle of 60 degrees and going to revolve this. So I have created this sketch on the front plane. Say OK. See, here we have to uncheck the merge results. Now these two are two different bodies. So I am going to apply a different color. See here. Now I am going to explain how to use this combined command. First option is add. So we have to select both the features. One is extruded boss and other one is revolve. See, earlier we have seen two multiple bodies. See, when I suppress this command we can see two bodies. When we use combined command and add this, it becomes a single body. Now I am going to show you next option, subtract. Here we have to select the main body as extruded cube and subtract body to sphere. See here, the internal sphere has been removed. So this one is useful during packaging. So if you have a component and if you want to do the packaging, then you can do it. This one will be a like thermocol piece. Later we can split into two pieces. Next option I am going to show you common. See, here we have to select extruded cube and revolve sphere and say OK. This one we can use it for dies. So this is a brief about combined bodies command and using add, subtract and common options. Thank you.